Welcome back, Willis fam, to another league night, week 29 of TGIF Friday. It's a mixed league, and tonight we're bowling back at first time as a full roster since the beginning of the season. We did lose our anchor for 8 weeks due to surgery of some sort. So, on that note, either way, there was a sub added to the other teams, so the score kind of looks a little messed up, but we actually did really well in this one. Either way, though, my arsenal's a bit of the same. Radioactive Vibe, Brunswick Quantum Evo, and Columbia the Beast for my right side spares. I don't know if I used it in this one, but we'll find out as the video goes. Anyways, sit back, enjoy the bowling, and we'll see you soon. Well, welcome back to the 10th frame of Game 1 here on this Friday. We do finish off Game 1 with a 186. Really solid start here. As you can see, my dad's right back to work with another strike to finish this game. However, what you're seeing is we lost by 3 on the board, but there's 32 pins missing, which was corrected before Game 2, so technically we lost Game 1 by like 35, realistically speaking. However, the rest of the night kind of got better as a team from here, but I'll let you find out as we go. However, for me though, 186 was the highest on the night, and you'll notice why here in a little bit. I did struggle this evening with the left side and getting the ball to hook into the center, so a little bit of a struggle tonight. we're at the 10th frame of game 3. I've already finished. I finished the 174 on this game. It is a 500 night, luckily. However, this is pretty much how the series had ended. It was pretty darn close. Luckily, we had 5 extra pins, and that was all we needed to do to get past it. And you can tell it's a pretty frustrating go tonight from myself and others. Thankfully, we win 7 out of 9 points tonight against a fairly good team. Tough matchup, but we fought it out. So move up a few spots, and we're on to next Friday. If you guys enjoyed the content, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. More bowling content to come soon. Take care. Let us know what you thought in the comments. See you soon.